And an Orange County family is seeking answers from a local Bakersfield hospital tonight after they say that the hospital told them that they could visit a dying loved one, but have since changed their mind due to COVID-19 restrictions. 23 ABC's Kylie Walker is live in Bakersfield at Mercy Hospital Southwest and shares more about the family's concerns.
Good evening, Alex. The family tells me that their father is currently at this hospital suffering from a stroke, but his time is limited, which is why the family is trying so desperately to be by his side once more.
And I don't understand. It's like, gosh, just give me a few minutes. Let me say my goodbyes.
Catherine Grenier says her father was admitted to Mercy Hospital Southwest on Wednesday due to a stroke, and that nurses told the Grenier siblings that their father is in grave condition.
He is not going to make it to Christmas.
Right. When we were face to face, she would pull out paperwork, she would look at it and say, he's not expected to live very long.
And due to his condition, Grenier says the hospital told her she could visit her father in the first place, so she flew in from Utah, but now she says the hospital won't let her in due to visitor restrictions from COVID-19.
I just don't understand. You said we could see him, so why can't we see him?
Grenier says she's getting very little communication from the hospital, and she just wants answers as the family remains in a standstill.
And I've called. No one will call me back. The hospital administrator won't call me back. The nurse won't call me back.
She says the last they heard from nurses was on Sunday that their father opened his eyes. And we did reach out to Mercy but have not heard back at this time. But in a statement to 23 ABC, the state public health department said, quote, visitors are essential to the mental health of patients who are at end of life. Grenier says they let one of the 9 siblings visit a couple of times, but haven't let anyone else. And the public health department goes on to write, quote, for their continued mental health and well-being, the California Department of Public Health recommends that one visitor be allowed to be present with the patient. A single visitor does not need to be designated, provided that only one visitor is present at the time. And the Grenier siblings say they are frustrated they keep getting redirected with no answers. But if they get the green light for the visit, they say they'll be ready.
And I would hop in my car and I would drive the 2.5 to 3 hours to see him, even if it's only for 5 minutes.